This is the Genesis G80. For front occupant comfort, the Genesis G80 comes equipped with an adjustable power seat system. The front seats can be adjusted manually by using the control switches located on the outside of each front seat cushion. Before adjusting your seating position, be sure the vehicle is in park and the parking brake is set. For forward and rearward adjustment of the entire seat, push this control switch. To tilt the seat cushion, pull or press the front portion of this switch in a vertical fashion. To adjust the overall height of the seat, pull or press the rear portion of the same switch in a vertical fashion. The seat back angle is adjusted by pressing this button towards the front or rear. The lumbar support has 4 directions of adjustment in a single button. To increase the arch of the lumbar support, press this side of the button. To decrease, press this side of the button. The height of the lumbar can be adjusted by pressing here to raise and here to lower. Some models may be equipped with a seat side bolster adjustment feature. To adjust the seat side bolsters, turn the lever clockwise to tighten the bolster and counterclockwise to widen. Some trims are equipped with a power cushion extension, which will increase or decrease the length of the driver's seat bottom. If equipped, some driver's seats will have this switch to adjust the power cushion extension. Seat cushion support height can also be adjusted by pushing the same button up or down. The Smart Posture Care system can help analyze and provide a healthy posture position for the driver's back and sets the steering wheel, side view mirrors, and head-up display positions according to the driver's body measurements. To access, select Setup, Vehicle, Seat, Smart Posture Care, then enter driver's information. Select Posture Analysis to analyze the current seating position. If the current position is not optimal, select Adjust Posture, and Smart Posture Care will adjust the driver's seat, steering wheel, side view mirrors, and head-up display to the optimal positions. Comfortable Stretch can be activated by pushing this button. Continuously pressing the button will cycle through all the comfortable stretch modes and turn it off. The integrated memory system allows you to store custom settings for the driver's seat, side mirrors, and steering wheel positions. To begin storing specific seat positions, the vehicle will need to be in park and in the on position. Adjust the front seat's position, side mirrors, steering wheel, and head-up display. Press Set, and then one of the memory buttons within 4 seconds. Depending on which button was pressed, you should see a visual confirmation on the infotainment screen as well as 2 audible beeps. For each driver profile, you can save up to 2 driver positions in the seat memory settings, although only the drivers will show confirmation on the infotainment screen. After setup, simply press the memory button to change the seat position to that particular setting. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.